Kristuza Akuutaq. Chamai, Hui Dahlia. I'm Mandy, and today I'm going to make akuutaq. Akuutaq is a traditional dish that I learned how to make from my mom. And there's different variations of it. There's Eskimo ice cream, they call it, and then this is our version. Our version includes you boil the potatoes, which I've done already, and first you peel them and then boil them and set them aside, and then you get your station ready with, you got your beenuk. That's the fermented, that's the magic beenuk. Fermented fish eggs. You get the loose humpy eggs during the summer, and you dry them out for like overnight. Clean them, dry them out, and then you put them in a jar. Wait till they turn color, and then you could refrigerate them. And then you take your beenuk and you mix it with the oil, vegetable oil. And while you're doing that, you sing. That's just what I like to do. So I will probably need a volunteer. Anybody want to volunteer? I'll need a few volunteers. Okay. Turn, you could go on that side. Natalia wanted to demonstrate with me as well. So this depends on how much and how strong you want it. So now that we've whipped our beenuk, the fermented fish eggs, we're going to start with the oil. We're going to start adding the Akuutaq potato. It's like a mashed potato, but without all the butter and the milk. It's just you mash your potatoes, have them ready on the side. And it's good if you have a helper. So I have a helper here. We're just going to add the Akuutaq. Okay. And then as you're going along, sometimes you'll need oil, sometimes you'll need water. Just keep adding it as you go. This one's got too much unpopped eggs. I don't know if my mom would have liked it. That's okay. Might be good. You adding yours, Sarah? Anybody maybe got music we could play, or songs somebody could sing? We got singers in the house?
I bet at least one of you knows the Akuutaq.
Somebody's got to know the Akuutaq song. No. Come on, Abby. Come on. Be proud of who you are. Be proud of who you are. See, I don't know. Or you could sing other Sixteen songs, or you could sing Elvis, maybe some Neil Diamond. What's some recent singers? You guys could maybe rap for your Akuutaq. Sing some heavy metal. Maybe you want to sing it a soft, loving song. Just want to make it happy. Just want to make it a good kind. Oh, I'm going to need some oil. Oh no. Everybody got a good song? Everybody got some music? Something? And also, this is when you start adding water too. Just trying to make it creamy. So I keep adding the oil and the water. I don't know, maybe it's just because she was my mom, but I always thought she made the best. She was her sisters would call her and ask her to make a gudak. She must have made the best. She said, want her to make a gudak all the time. She'd start calling us her adult kids when we grew up. She was always proud. She was like, my kids, they eat a gudak. It's like, yeah, be proud too. Okay, hold on. Uh-oh, so that's why you have a splash guard. You don't want it to get on the floor. Not on the carpet anyways. Be stuck for days. And that's how you make a gudak. That's your process. You just keep adding the potato hooks and the oil and the water. You add the salt. And then you have a meal. My favorite one to eat with it is dried halibut or dried humpy is pretty good, and dried trout. It's a little softer than like the red salmon or the silver. Softer texture. They dry the humpies and the trout. Like right now they're getting trouts, I believe. So they'd hang them up to dry, or the humpy later on in the summer. Just cut them up, hang them up to dry, and hey, you got a meal. We just wait, watch Mom make it, wait. And we have to wait until after. But man, it's like a delicacy, something that's a once in a while thing. It's really just a treat. Does anybody want to try to do the whipping with potatoes? Okay, let's get